Hello, everyone. This is Varsha, and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. So, once again, we are here with you all to discuss the success story of one more achiever of ours. And this time, we have with us Mr. Rajesh Kumar Dr, who is the creative consultant of Creative Suit. So, creative designers are visual communicators who create visual concepts. They communicate ideas to inspire, inform, or captivate consumers. Here is a person from Creative Suits who designs and inspires in the style of Thalaiva. The superstar Rajnikant, whose capacity is speed 1 terahertz and memory 1 gigabyte. So, before we actually start the conversation with him, let's quickly have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi. Hello. Good. I'm fine.
All right, sir. So before we actually start the conversation, I'm very keen to know that how did you actually land up to the idea of starting up with this creative suit?
Yeah. Actually, what will happen is only when the problem attack, our brain will work will start working very faster. When I was working in ad agency, I had many ideas, but I had not given any chance because I'm not from a art school background. So where we can see if anybody who has come from the art school background, even though they doesn't have any good knowledge or any experience, they would given good position or a good hike or anything. So I've been seeing many people like that. My old colleagues and all. So I decided to start a company and also give them a chance to prove themselves. So and this is why I started my business, and today I think I'm running very successfully.
Right, sir. So, sir, what were the challenges that you have to face in your journey while starting up with your business?
Anybody start when they start the business, everyone has to go through the problems. So like and then even I also faced lot of problems because I was sitting in between the four walls where I know myself but nobody know about me, and that is why people were not coming to me when I actually started the business. No one came to know that this kind of person exists, so that we can go there, we can take their help or anything. Nothing can be sold without being told. This is the quote which I got in the mind. So I started my company in every possible advertising in every possible ways. Today I have a good number of clients.
True, sir. And what exactly are the product and services that Creative Suits is giving to the people out there?
Uh, Creative Suite is a one-stop solution for any startup company. We offer many services. So few of them are like corporate image building, like designing of the logo and developing a new range of stationery for them. Then comes to the advertising. So creating and manufacturing and execution of boards and ads for magazine, newspaper, hoardings. Then we do TV commercials also. We record a new concept of TV commercial and record a radio jingle in a new kind of humorous ads. So people will get attracted to them. The other services is designing and printing. We can design and print many brochures, posters, leaflets, etc. Then come to the digital marketing, where designing and promoting the product or a company in all social media platforms. And another service is like exhibition. We design whenever there is exhibition, we design a 3D stall for them to right to know how does it may look in the actual exhibition hall. So we designed for them the banners, posters, backdrop, then audio visuals, etc.
All right, sir. So now moving ahead, everyone do plans for their future. So what further plans are you having for your company in the upcoming years?
Yeah, my future plan is to have at least three offices in different countries and hiring people who has a talent rather than any degree.
All right, sir, and I wish you all the success for all the plans of yours.
Yeah, thank
All
you.
right, so now moving ahead, you must be knowing about the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign, which is going on in India at the moment. So, what are
Hmm.
your thoughts and views on this campaign, and also how is your organization working towards this?
Yeah. See, Atmanirbhar Bharat is a repackaged version of Make in India Drive. So using new tagline called Vocal for Local. So we are buying Indian-made goods for any kind of requirement, and also we are suggesting our clients also go for only Indian-made goods. Whether presently it might be little higher the cost, but in the future definitely it will come down, and where India will have a good sustaining market.
So now comes the question which I'm literally waiting to put forward to you, and that is, what are your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award?
Yeah, I'm really excited and filled with joy. When I turn back where the steps I came from, the tears follow me. I was just an iron piece. Every company where I worked hit me hard and hard, and today they converted me into a sword. I'd like to thank my producer, that is my father and mother, my friends, relatives, and finally my ex-companies who had given me a lot of problems to solve it. And that's why I have been able to achieve this award today. Last but not least, my boss, that is my wife, Ranjita, who has been always supportive in my life. Without her, I would have not achieved again.
And I once again congratulate you on the achievement, Mr. Rajesh.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so now, sir, if you can please tell us a bit about your social contribution too.
Yeah. Okay, I'm also a Rotarian from Rotary Bangalore Northwest. Through our club, we have been helping many people in many ways, like donation of grocery, books, open heart surgery. We have been donating dialysis machines for Rangodaya Hospital also. So through this, wherever the people had a requirement, they'll come and contact us. Whatever is possible from our side, definitely we are fulfilling them.
Amazing work you all are doing, I must say, sir. All right, so before concluding our lovely session, what message you would like to give to our younger generation to become successful in their careers?
We can notice that today's generation completely depended on theory only, which is very difficult to survive in many places. But if you have a talent, you can survive anywhere, any place in the world. Success is not a destination.
Very rightly said, sir. So, thank you so very much for joining with us today. It was lovely talking to you, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. And may you continue to inspire us the way you are doing. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Yeah, thank you, man.